Sure. So we're going to speak now.
We were all waiting for Shishi's arrival. Before he starts, I will take only 1 minute. I'm not an authority even to talk about Shishi. The work that he has done in this country, in other countries, in the whole world is unimaginative. In fact, many a time I sit down and think, here's a person within 25 years or 30 years of art of living could get 28 million followers in 160 countries. Many a time I wonder, how could he touch the lives of so many, keep them all happy, and that too a charitable organization. We pay for the employees to work and they don't work. We go after them. We have got management after management after management layer. But Guruji doesn't do any of those. He gives so much freedom, we do a lot of nonsense. He has the tolerance beyond imagination. And I have a great experience with him. I do not want to talk in public and someone questions the validity of that. One day I'm planning to write a book, to be honest. And here he is, that dream come true. I have been working on this for 5 months. Getting on his calendar is extremely difficult. He has taken flight all the way from India to address all of us. This is a technology forum, and Guruji is talking about what should we do to keep this world happy, healthy, stress-free, violence-free. And how do we do and how do we work ethically and not trying to grab somebody else's lunch? Guruji is all of us.
Now His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, he is going to light this lamp.
That's a brilliant way. Well, you know, see on both sides, Kumle's and his madam. I have no choice but to come. You know, once I want to tell you an anecdote. When I landed in New Jersey, in the immigration, the officer there, he looked very stressed out. He must be questioning so many people. He asked me, "Where did you come from?" I said, "From the clouds." He started smiling. I said, "Just relax, what we need is to relax amidst of busy schedules." So then the next question, he smiled and he asked me, "What do you do?" I said, "Just bless people." Give blessings. I said, "That's a very good job." And then he stamped my passport and sent me. We need little humor. That humor keeps us on track. And humanness. Humor and humanness. Taking little time to talk to people whom we think are not very significant. Just like the guard in front, or I don't know whether you have guards in front of your companies here. I suppose yes. So there are guards, there are waiters, and the taxi drivers. Having little conversation with them, creates a very different atmosphere in our workplace. Reason is reeling in what we already know, and faith is leaping into what we don't know. We need both in life, reason and faith. Reason is to play safe, and faith is to be a little more adventurous. All those people who have went up in the spaceship, they have the faith that they're going to come back. That's why they went. Isn't it? Leaping into unknown is adventure. And I'm glad as an IT professionals, all of you have taken that step to go a little further, do a little more research and find out, leap into that unknown aspect. I recently heard that our brain gets 4 crores. How much do you say for crore? How many million? 40 million? 40 millions. 40 million information every second, and our brain processes only 40 of them. From 40 million information that gets bombarded into our brain every second, we are processing only 40. But we have the potential to process much more. So this instrument of ours, this brain, this body, this mind, we need to take care. Don't you think so? It's not just enough taking care of the body, but taking care of this thing, the upper chamber, is very important. If this gets stressed, and we are tense, we are angry, we are upset, we are greedy, and all the negative emotions are stored up here, our efficiency goes way down.